What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and I hope you're having a great Sunday. I know that I am, because today on my daily Hot Wheels hunt, I did find two awesome little gems. Now, they're not treasure hunts or anything cool like that, but I do like these ones quite a bit. I only found two, so let's get started and jump right in with this Shelby Cobra. Super stoked to find this one out in the wild. Very, very cool little casting. I dig that one quite a bit. I like this colorway the best, the black and the red. Let's go ahead and rip it open and take a closer look at it. There we go. There it is, nice and up close. Looks like we have black 5-spoke wheels with a chromy lip. Looks like we have our exhaust coming out either side as it should be. Nice red interior, black paint with a split racing stripe right down the middle. Very, very nice. We got a plastic chrome, plastic base, I should say. Kind of hard to pick up the writing with all that shine. But I like this one quite a bit. Very fun little casting. Cool little American ride. I like that one. We'll put it right there. And the next one up is my favorite up. We got us an Audi R8 Spider. Love this car. Very, very cool. As you can see, they did go ahead and put some headlights on there for us. Nice little Audi logo. And some tail lights as well. I sure love when Hot Wheels does that on their main lines. Super fun, super awesome. Well, let's rip it open and look at it more closely. There we are. Awesome. More split 5 spokes. Not a lot of detail on the steering wheel, unfortunately, but you know, that's how it goes. Love this white color on the R8. Very nice front end. Yes, this one is very, very cool. Really like this casting. I believe this is the first R8 in my collection. So stoked to have this one. Awesome, awesome, awesome. What a great Labor Day weekend. Got me a nice little Shelby Cobra and an R8. Super happy with today's finds. I want to thank each and every one of you that watched this video. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Again, my name is Jesse, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to have a video tomorrow. I think for Labor Day, I'm just going to take a day off and just relax. But I may or may not. I haven't exactly decided yet. But I do want to wish you guys a great Labor Day weekend, and we will see you next time.